Where were you?
I was right down there in our house about 5:45. We get a call to wake up, and it started coming into the house a little bit, but about 30 minutes later, it came up ankle deep into the house, and it just started flooding our house, and everything that's on the ground is pretty ruined.
Sorry to hear that. How many people in your family are displaced?
It was 6 people total in the house.
Other neighbors in the same situation, or do you know?
Yes. My brother lives a quarter mile away from us, and he's in the same boat as we are. His house flooded as well. Richland County Fire Department volunteers, they came and saved us.
With boats? Or
with their tactical vehicle.